Hello again, Farm Vibes Life. Passion fruit, a precious tropical fruit native to the dense forests of Brazil, has traveled the world, enchanting palates with its distinctive flavor and aroma. Over the years, this exotic fruit was introduced to India and thrived in the country's diverse climatic conditions. Passion fruit, a member of the passion flower family, has more than 400 varieties, each with distinct characteristics. Known for its rich vitamin content, including vitamin A, niacin, riboflavin, and ascorbic acid, passion fruit is not only a nutritious addition to your diet, but also a valuable commodity in many industries. Even the peel and seeds of the fruit are used to make various products. In India, the states of Mizoram, Nagaland, and Manipur are recognized for cultivating high-quality passion fruit, which is now gaining popularity both domestically and internationally. In the northeastern part of India, especially in Mizoram, passion fruit cultivation has become a thriving industry. The agroclimatic conditions of this region create an ideal environment for passion fruit cultivation, characterized by an optimal balance between temperature, rainfall, and soil quality. The cultivation process lasts about 18 months, during which time the trees begin to produce fruit as early as 6 months into their growth cycle. With careful care and management, farmers can ensure continuous production year-round, as long as phytosanitary conditions are maintained. Passion fruit in Mizoram is usually grown at altitudes ranging from 800 to 1,500 meters above sea level. The climate in these mountainous regions creates alternating rainy and dry seasons, which are essential for the growth of passion fruit plants. Ideal annual rainfall ranges from 1,500 to 2,000 mm, and it is essential to keep temperatures below 30 degrees C to avoid pollen crystallization problems that can negatively affect fruit set. The unique climatic conditions in this region not only enhance the superior quality of passion fruit, but also promote the development of distinctive flavors that are popular in the market, optimizing both growth and yield. Farmers in Mizoram and other northeastern states use a variety of agricultural techniques. Creating raised beds in the field is an important measure. These raised structures facilitate proper drainage, preventing waterlogging during the monsoon season, which can be harmful to crops. Furthermore, farmers adopt drip irrigation systems to ensure a steady water supply, which is essential for the healthy growth of fruit trees. Drip irrigation is especially beneficial in areas where water conservation is needed, because it delivers water directly to the plant roots. Minimize waste. Passion fruit plants are spaced meticulously, with approximately 3 meters between rows and 2 meters between individual plants. This thoughtful arrangement allows workers and machinery to move easily, streamlining essential tasks like pruning, spraying, and harvesting. In Mizoram, many farmers adopt trellis systems to support climbing plants. Exotic fruit trellises for grapes serve a dual purpose. They provide essential structural support while improving light penetration, a key factor for photosynthesis and fruit production. The table cover system stands out with its remarkable efficiency, helping plants grow and increasing air circulation, thereby minimizing the possibility of pest invasion. Passion fruit roots are quite shallow, usually not extending more than 50 centimeters into the soil. Therefore, it is important to maintain a weed-free environment around the plant and fertilize close to the roots. The woody, fibrous stems rise and spread over the trellis, adorned with leaves that are usually three-lobed, supplemented by tendrils that help the vine cling to the support. Passion fruit flowers have both male and female organs. However, they are not self-compatible, requiring cross-pollination to produce fruit. Passion fruit is an oval berry, typically weighing 200 to 300 grams, containing numerous seeds enclosed in a juicy and aromatic pulp. Harvesting is essential to ensure the best quality of the fruit. The journey of the passion fruit, from pollination to full ripeness, lasts about 60 to 70 days, during which time the fruit will acquire its characteristic color. The aroma and flavor of passion fruit peaks when it reaches ideal ripeness, and the skin typically turns deep purple or yellow, depending on the variety. Harvesting usually takes place in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid high temperatures that can reduce the quality of the fruit. Ripe fruits will fall naturally to the ground or be meticulously hand-picked during harvesting. The farmer skillfully cuts the fruit stem and uses a soft basket to support the fruit, ensuring that the fruit is not bumped or bruised. This method allows us to save maximum space and use as little land as possible, not only conserving resources, but also reducing the environmental footprint of agricultural activities. Post-harvest handling is very important, emphasizing the importance of sorting, cleaning, and inspecting fruit to remove any damaged or substandard fruit. After harvesting, passion fruit is transported to post-harvest facilities for sorting and grading. Fruits are classified into different quality grades based on size, weight, color, and freedom from defects. In Mysore, passion fruit is increasingly recognized for its exceptional quality. The sorting process is very thorough, ensuring that only the best fruits reach the market. Fruit is carefully packaged, usually in padded crates or cardboard boxes, to prevent damage during transport. In addition to being enjoyed fresh, passion fruit is also processed into a variety of products, including juice, jam, and sauce. The journey to creating passion fruit juice begins with the careful selection of the freshest and highest quality fruits. First, workers will wash the passion fruit to remove dirt and impurities on the surface of the fruit. This method allows us to save maximum space and use as little land as possible, not only conserving resources, but also reducing the environmental footprint of agricultural activities. The product is then cut in half, and the fruit pulp containing both juice and seeds is carefully extracted. This pulp goes through a filtration process to separate the seeds, creating pure juice. The passion fruit juice is then heat-treated to kill bacteria and extend shelf life. Some factories incorporate ingredients like sugar or preservatives based on their unique formula to enhance the flavor and shelf life of the product. After heat treatment, the juice is filtered and cooled before bottling. Finally, the finished product is bottled, labeled, and goes through a sterilization process to ensure food safety. The bottles of passion fruit juice are then packaged and shipped to distribution centers ready to reach consumers. The appeal of passion fruit lies not only in its fresh taste and aroma, but also in its many health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, passion fruit is a nutritious addition to any diet. Whether enjoyed fresh, in juices, or incorporated into indulgent desserts, it offers a tropical flavor that is both fresh and refreshing. As the Indian passion fruit industry develops, it has significant potential for growth and innovation, especially with the right support from the government and agricultural organizations. Indian farmers have the potential to grow passion fruit of the highest quality standards while venturing into new markets and product opportunities. From the lush farms of Mesam to the vibrant markets of India and beyond, passion fruit truly has a bright and promising future. We trust you find this comprehensive exploration of passion fruit farming useful. Have you ever savored this distinctive fruit? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to pass this video along to friends who are passionate about farming and agriculture.